You might call these concrete abstractions. Man, the builder, takes a dream and sets it in concrete. Versatile concrete masonry with its vast variety of shapes, sizes, colors, and textures. Here then is creativity captured in concrete. Here is imagination unlimited. Mortar held the Tower of Babel together. Cement bricks were laid in walls while man was learning to write. Poured concrete lined canals in ancient Assyria. But concrete block waited for the technological advances ushering in the 20th century. Many concrete masonry buildings still stand today after 50, 60, 70 years. This is hardly surprising. Strength and durability are inherent characteristics of all well-made concrete block. Take this distinctive residence in the Great Lakes country. It has weathered sun, wind, rain, freeze and thaw for decades and has hardly aged. In those early days, relatively few buildings were made of exposed concrete masonry, but an architectural awakening was underway, prodded by advancing technology. An awakening that has blossomed into the great architectural breakthrough of today, a sudden surge forward in the bold, imaginative use of new and traditional building materials, such as wood, glass, plastics, metal, and concrete, for both contemporary and traditional structures. The architect strove for honest design to meet the needs, physical and emotional, of living people. If his early attempts were a bit severe, he is now slipping out of the handcuffs of disciplined functionalism and is striking out with complete freedom of expression, freedom of planning and design, freedom of form and structure, and freedom to integrate the building with the site. To help achieve these ends, he learned to use his materials economically and expressively, capitalizing upon their natural qualities. In the forefront, helping to explore these new freedoms, stands concrete masonry, now emerging from its primary use as a concealed building material into a new role as an exciting, exposed material in its own right. Concrete masonry for both structural and decorative use, exterior or interior, rich, lasting, honest beauty. Versatile, expressive, adaptable, freeing the imagination of architect or designer. Concrete masonry, helping to explore our architectural frontiers. Take any one style of architectural block. It can be stacked this way, or that. Used alone, or in stimulating new combinations. Here is another highly adaptable style, split block, coming more and more into its own as a distinctive exterior and interior material. Now, some units are designed expressly for exterior use. This is monumental building block for monumental architecture, civic buildings, churches, schools, commercial and industrial buildings, designed to last like the pyramids. As with all quality exterior block, it's of a size, shape, and density to ensure watertight walls. Requiring neither waterproofing nor painting. Lightweight block, like this, are intended primarily for interior use, especially for exposed walls in churches, schools, hotels, motels, and public buildings. Thousands of little air cells give it excellent insulating properties, and the porous textured surface absorbs excessive noise. These are just a few of the many kinds of exterior and interior block meant to be seen in today's buildings. Possibilities for the future, unlimited, as long as the block makers can keep pace with the growing demand for quantity, quality, and variety. Concrete block is a building material for any use, where warmth and acoustics are important, where durability, low maintenance, and security from the elements are important. It's a building material for any architectural style. Warm in the winter, cool in the summer. True livability. Ideal for any climate. Mild, arid, tropical, or one of seasonal extremes. Concrete block is the climate equalizer. Ideal for any setting. The weekend cabin in the woods calls for building economy, minimum upkeep, and resistance to fire. Concrete masonry meets these needs where other materials fail. Some of these are inherent qualities, resistance to water, fire, rot and termites, for instance. Others, insulating and acoustical properties, are manufactured in, but such a wide range of benefits, unmatched by any other building material, represents a mid-century miracle of technology. It has been said that a modern concrete masonry block is as good as the material from which it is made, the knowledge of the block maker, his desire to produce high quality, and the equipment he uses. In the early days, two men could make about 300 units in a 10-hour day on old-fashioned hand-tamp molds. But 50 years have brought us to the push-button era. Today, one fully automatic vibropack operating around the clock can turn out well over 20,000 high-quality concrete block, 8 by 8 by 16 equivalent. And block made on it are as different from the early product as a modern jet airliner is from the Wright brothers' plane. And if the block-making machine is the heart of a complex manufacturing process, the electronic automation master control panel is the brain. It operates and monitors the vibropack, where blocks are molded under 2,000 pounds of pressure. The old tamping method has given way to a unique vibration principle. Feed, height, and density controls are also automatic to ensure uniform quality. The master control also operates the automatic block loader and unloader, which performs a number of operations previously done by hand. In today's most up-to-date plants, every step is automatic. In fact, the first hands to touch the block are usually the skilled hands of the mason on the building site. He finds block easy handling, fast laying up. This, plus low initial cost, means building economy. Further economy and appearance result from uniform quality. Straight edges, uniform length, height, and width, accurate modular dimensions. These and the wide range of other benefits offered only by concrete block result primarily from modern manufacturing approaches featuring up-to-date precision machines. But to delve a bit deeper, it takes precision machines to make precision machines. Machines and men. Craftsmen like this and processes. Heat treating for case depth and hardness, for instance. Plus 100% quality inspection and testing. Backed by continuous research and development to turn the finest alloy steel into the finest concrete block making equipment. To keep the machines running at full capacity in the block-making plants, the leading manufacturer of block-making machines maintains expert field service engineers on around-the-clock, around-the-world duty. At the home plant, a special school is conducted for block makers and block users. Its purpose? To teach men how to operate and maintain the equipment to turn out top-quality block. Special business management seminars are also offered. In a fully equipped technical center, experts run constant laboratory tests on the end product to ensure quality, as well as investigate problems concerning processing, mixing, and mold vibration. New ideas, products, and processes get careful scrutiny too. Another service is a plant layout department offering block makers complete plant engineering counsel to increase plant efficiency and production. Still another service is acquainting architects and builders with the advantages, nature, and possibilities of the material. And from one modern machine with a single set of plain pallets comes a seemingly endless lineup of block. All the shapes, sizes, densities, textures, colors, and physical compositions to whet the architectural appetite of the modern-day world. Man designs his buildings for himself. They must be strong, durable, and livable. Concrete masonry looks strong, and it is. It looks durable, and it is. It looks livable, and it is. Concrete masonry buildings are for people, admirably suited for all of man's day-by-day activities. Here are just a few examples of the vast number of applications of this most adaptable material. concrete masonry, barely half a century old and already spearheading the drive to build and rebuild today's world. And what of tomorrow's world? Man is building his tomorrow today. He is building it with vigorous expression. He is building it with dramatic contrast. He is building it with the limitless quantities of concrete block of quality. Despite the spectacular applications today, the range of stimulating possibilities for tomorrow is beyond our power to visualize. Only one thing is certain. With the versatility of concrete masonry, man will build his tomorrow with imagination unlimited.